those
Exactly.
things
Blow
blow.
right on them.
And it's not, in the front room, the side room where we are, it's
Exactly.
not bad.
Exactly.
But you can change the direction of the
You
vein.
can, you have to just, figure it out on that heat.
But not all the veins, my veins not working. They kind of looked at it today, so.
Did they come look at yours?
Yesterday, they
Okay.
said that when they did the wiring for the LCD,
Okay.
if something happened, so they just said to come back.
Okay.
Cause I've got some girls right under that vent, and that air pouring straight down
Down,
underneath.
You can't change the direction. Okay. Yes, sir, Mr. Wayne?
Yeah, I just asked Ms. Harden, is those of us that are on the permanent duty stations, for instance, want to do this meeting at 3:45, I asked her, was it okay? Yeah, because like on the bus ramp, everybody's on guard. So, kind of, is there a definite time that we can relieve from that station, or is it, do we watch and gauge whether the students picked up or what?
Just like you did today, because we're recording these meetings as well, and so anything you miss, you can pick it up. Or if the administration's out there, just tell them we got advisory, and we'll just go.
And that's what you said, just let them, anytime
Yeah,
we need
and we'll just
kind of
go
watch
back
the
to
other
it.
stations, because some of the other stations on after school, they clear out a lot
That's
quicker than
right.
the bus ramp, so
That's
I just
right.
want to count.
Yeah, just tell them, hey, I'm going to advisory. And one reason we put 2 people at each station doing that, in case one has to leave or one is absent, that station is still covered. That's why we put 2 people. Okay, just real quickly, want to reintroduce our data notebooks. I know we didn't quite get there with them last year. We tried to really simplify the process by making that data notebook interchangeable with portfolios and things like that. So we'll be reintroducing that. I'm not going to do it now. I think Audrey, we'll just wait to a PLC where we can, if people have questions, we can ask questions. But if you pull up that tiny URL, if you go to formative assessments, you'll see the directions if you kind of just refamiliarize yourself with these. And then what we'll do is we'll go more into depth doing one of our PLC sessions so that we can get this thing down and it won't be so, yeah. And then we can really get everybody on the same page. Because I really believe if we can get it and get a complete understanding, it will save us a little bit of time. And it's also one of those things in our TEKS standards that this will answer several of those standards as far as assessments are concerned. If we do it right, it will just completely answer that. And like last year when the state was in here and Ms. Moore was going through the trial, she was one of the ones that was going through the trial TEKS evaluation process. We did visit her class and I asked her for a data notebook, and that did answer several, because we were doing a formative, so we evaluated all 10 of her standards. So along with her lesson plan, along with this data notebook, we were to answer standards other than 3, 4, 7, and 8. So just remember, if you can remind your departments, those artifacts are critical. If you do any type of parent communications, just get your little notebook and keep it in. Anything that you do communicating with stakeholders and stuff like that, just keep a copy of it, whether it's an email, whether it's your Remind 101, that prints out, just anything that you do to communicate, just keep a copy of it.
Now, does the data notebook take place of the portfolio? So if you have a student that is not passing your class, you need to still keep the portfolio.
Well, what you do, this is how it turns into a portfolio. You already have the data notebook.